What is going on, my individuals? How you guys doing? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. My name is Drexler. Today I have a 10-minute at-home workout for those of you who want to lose weight and get ripped in the fastest way possible. Now, before I jump into this, I would really appreciate a nice big thumbs up if you dig the video, and for those of you who have subscribed, be sure to hit the notifications button so I can alert you whenever I drop a new video. Now, everything that I talk about in today's video is all based off of the research that I have done and what works best for me and what I have seen work for many other people as well. Now, I actually just got off of a bulk myself. I just started cardio about 2 weeks ago, so I'm a little out of shape myself right now. I'm right in the middle of cutting, so I'm just trying to get myself back into the groove again. However, back when I was at my leanest about 3 or 4 months ago, I was doing this specific workout religiously, and as you guys can see, doing this type of training resulted in some pretty great success for me. So today I will be showing you how I train to get lean fast. I personally always suggest HIIT or high intensity interval training. A few reasons why: it burns more calories in less time than just regular steady cardio. HIIT boosts your metabolism and continues to burn fat after you work out. And HIIT cardio paired with regular training in the gym, such as lifting weights, will prevent you from losing your gains or, lean muscle mass. Now, this specific workout that I'm gonna show you guys today was inspired by my bro Abnormal Beings and the type of exercises that he does. You guys should definitely check his channel out. He looks great and he knows his stuff. So with all that said, let's jump right into this. For today's workout, there will be a total of 10 rounds. Each round will include 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest, for a total of 1 minute per round. Now, each round will have a different exercise, so in all there will be a total of 10 different exercises. So kicking it off with number 1, squats. For my first minute, as you see here, we will do 45 seconds of squats with, of course, 15 seconds of rest. Next up, we got burpees. This is actually the way they taught us when I used to be in CrossFit for 4 years. These get pretty exhausting pretty quick. Star squats are a great exercise that is pretty unique and really effective. And also, guys, remember, it's okay to take a break if needed, especially if you're not in the best shape like me right now. Now we got mountain climbers. One of my favorite exercises. This is really gonna get that core going. Now back to legs with reverse running lunges, starting with the right leg only. And then on the next minute, we got reverse running lunges with the left leg as well. Push up to toe taps. This is another really unique one and a favorite of mine. Number 8, we're moving on to high knees. Make sure to really lift those knees high to activate your core nicely. Number 9, we got jump in and outs. This should really get you guys feeling pretty exhausted by now, like you can see it's doing to me here. And lastly, an all-out sprint. I like to always end off every workout with something really hard and really fast-paced. So for those last 45 seconds, I encourage you to make it all count and give it everything you got. Make yourself proud by finishing strong. So if you guys made it through this workout, great job. Let me know in the comments below how you dug it. It's tough stuff. It's a little workout, but it's pretty tough. Like I said, this is my second week of cutting, so getting back into that cardio routine. And if you're really pushing yourself, this little workout can get pretty tough, I know. So I do this almost every morning on an empty stomach as my fasted cardio. This is a method that actually some of the top bodybuilders in the world do as well. And sometimes if I'm really desperate to, cut quick, I'll actually do this workout in the morning and at night, and sometimes even multiple times a day. Also, in my opinion, this type of training is most beneficial really only when you're eating right and you're eating the right amount of calories. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me make a video and discuss what I personally eat and the type of things that I put into my body to get the best results. By the way, I do have a 20% off discount code for you guys at Man Sports. This is not sponsored. They don't even know I'm making this video. I am an ambassador for them. But for any of you guys who want, awesome high quality protein, pre-workout, you name it, Man Sports is your place. It's one of my favorite brands. I've actually been a fan of theirs, and I've been using their products for about 2.5, 3 years now. Not just because of the high quality products, but because I personally believe they have the best tasting products out there. So I'm actually just really stoked that I became an ambassador of theirs a few months back. So definitely check that out, 20% off down in the description below. All right, now it is time for the individuals inner circle shoutouts. So right here we have my boy John. Next up we have Faison, and last up we have Amir, I think that's how you say it. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. For anybody else who wants a shout out in my next video, be sure to let me know how you dug today's video in the comments below, and be sure to add your Instagram username so I can give you that shout out. And of course, before I head out, it is time to discuss today's motivational message of the day. For those of you who are having a hard time finding the motivation to get yourself in the gym and to work out and to start eating right, for those of you that are having a hard time really getting into that zone mentally, and getting enough motivation to actually do that and living a healthier lifestyle, I do want to tell you that you are not what you feel, you are what you decide. That's something my dad always taught me. I just want to encourage you guys right now, decide to be great. Waiting for the right moment to come and waiting for that motivation to finally hit you, I mean, that's honestly not good enough, you guys. Feelings, they come and they go. Motivation isn't always going to be there. You're not always going to feel motivated. You're not going to always be feeling super upbeat and ready to go to the gym and just kill it and eat right. You're not always going to feel that. It's not going to happen. And that honestly is where most people fall off. When the new year starts, everybody's all pumped. This is the year that I'm going to get super ripped and I'm going to get super duper in shape, and everybody always starts off great with the right intentions. However, after that month, everybody, you can just see like 50% of people, if not more, fall off. And that is because they're just simply not feeling it anymore. But of course, I want to take you guys to the next level. I want you to be a cut above the rest. I want you to stand out from the pack. So I highly, highly encourage you guys to really take that note to heart. You are not what you feel, you are what you decide. So decide to be great, decide to be amazing today. Everything in life should be based off of just a decision, not always a feeling. Decide today to make fitness and eating right a part of your routine. Just go to the gym. Don't even think about it. Don't think about how you're feeling. Just decide to go. Get yourself in there. Just show up. And what happens is it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to actually form a habit. And so when you force yourself to go to the gym and you start implementing it into your routine and you start eating right and doing all these things, yeah, it might be a little difficult at first, but once you start making something a habit and you make it a routine, this is what starts a keystone habit. After a while, you won't really have to make that hard decision of having to eat right and having to turn down that donut and eat something else healthier. You won't even have to really think about it. You just do it because that's what you do. That is what's part of your routine. And when you create this keystone habit, it starts to affect other areas of your life as well. And before you know it, your whole life is based on self-discipline and making the right choices, making the right, healthier decisions, making sure that you're going to the gym every day. So make this stuff a part of your daily routine. Don't base your destiny in the place that you want to go off of your feelings and your emotions, because those things come and go. Make the decision, decide today that you're gonna go for it, whether you're feeling it or not, and this is truly what's gonna separate you from everybody else, just by showing up. So I hope you guys got a little something from that. If you dug today's video, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and hit that notifications button to be informed when I drop my next video, and I'll talk to you all very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka brah.